Going to Ikea right now. Again. Don't pick up some stuff. You ready for the remix?
Remix time. We don't wear seatbelts over here.
You're watching an episode of Long Story Short. Let's get a grip.
Why don't you drop it and break it?
We got our cart and then we'll pick up our stuff.
Let's go.
Cowabunga, dude.
Right?
That Ikea Express.
Exactly.
You need that help finding your bin?
That's right.
This is the girl right here. Ikea's gone wild. That's one.
That's hard to drive.
Yo, where'd you get your license? Mexico?
Yeah, I had to cross the border to get it.
Dominica.
I'm not scared of the dark, baby.
Yo, bust out on the desk. Go. He's Asian, but I don't know that guy. But he's got the right idea. Yeah, good job. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy.
That's all you, Will?
That's all me.
Yo, that's all you. I didn't see no ring.
I didn't see no ring at all. I don't want to F with model girls anymore because they bullshit. Like,
you need a real hardworking Ikea girl. You know what I'm saying?
Yes,
She got an eye for design.
Exactly.
You know what I'm saying?